This year, we took our client from no spend to 100K of spend in one whole year and turned that into over $1 million in revenue. Over here, we spent 117K and we made 1.2 million over here. As you can see, this is how we did it. So this client is in the luxury fashion niche. We've been running ads with this client for about 2 years. So last year, we had a good amount of warming that was happening on the account in order to lay the land and prepare for this year's scaling capabilities. The strategy was simple. We started off the year by continuing to scale up a top of funnel catalog campaign that had their most popular product group in it. This is something that we've seen perform very well this year for all of our client accounts. And so this is a strategy that we wanted to continue moving forward throughout the year because it was doing so well. So just having the most popular products in that campaign, pushing to the Pinterest algorithm and to the Pinterest audience was proving to be very profitable for this business. We didn't want to promote all of their SKUs because they have well over 200,000 SKUs, because then it would take too much time for the algorithm to optimize and to actually find the products that the pinners wanted to buy. That's one thing we did. The second part of our strategy this year was to scale across multiple countries. So we launched campaigns in multiple countries throughout the Pinterest audiences. And that way we wanted to test different markets and see how that would resonate with the pinners. That test proved to be pretty fruitful as well, seeing as we were generating between a 5 and a 12x ROAS on a 30-37 conversion window the entire year. The last thing that we launched this year was a lead generation campaign. This client already had high converting email flows, and so we wanted to see whether or not the pinners would also convert via those email flows this year by just sending traffic to their landing pages and warming up the pinner. So far, we've noticed that the average order value of a pinner for this ad account was significantly higher than their other channels, which is really exciting, but they take a lot longer to convert. One strategy that we're toying with is to offer anybody who has added to cart via the lead generation campaign and a specific discount code in order to push them over the edge and get them to buy. The last strategy that we launched this year was a home decor campaign. Because this client not only, has a huge catalog of high fashion luxury clothing, but they have now onboarded luxury home decor items onto their site, which they also wanted to test via Pinterest. So far, the test is proving fruitful. However, we haven't scaled up this campaign just yet, and it's something that we're going to be looking into scaling up in the new year when people are back to shopping for their homes and buying home decor items. I'll tell you a few campaigns that didn't perform for this ad account this year were conversion campaigns optimizing for checkouts. So we were not seeing super great results with the conversion campaigns. We were seeing a lot of view-through conversions, but not very many click-through conversions. The difference between a view-through conversion and a click-through conversion, if you don't know, is a view-through is when the pinner was inspired to buy something from Pinterest but ended up checking out from a different platform. And a click-through conversion is when the pinner clicked through and checked out from the Pinterest platform directly. So overall, I would say we primarily focused on only top of funnel campaigns this year. We scaled campaigns that were performing well. We only maximized our ad dollars to catalog campaigns, and we scaled by adding multiple other countries as a test to see whether or not these countries would be profitable for this ad account. And then lastly, we tested a lead generation campaign that was also starting to generate leads for under $8, about $8 a pop, that we're adding to cart, really high AOVs, and that we're going to be sending a discount code to in order to push them over the edge to buy. This is how we took $100,000 this year and turned it into well over $1 million. I hope that this is going to be super helpful for you. If you need somebody to help guide your Pinterest ad strategy this year, feel free to book a meeting with me. It's completely free. You and I can chat about your Pinterest account, your Pinterest strategy, and see if we're a good fit to work together. If you have any questions about anything that we talked about in today's video, feel free to also write it in the description box below. And with that, I'm going to wish you a lovely rest of your day, and we'll chat in the next video. Bye for now.